Hello everyone, welcome back. So today is basically the last day in Dubai, and today we are going to cover in Dubai, and then after that we are going to go to Dubai Mall और वहाँ पे दुबई फाउंटेन बुर्ज खलीफा. So today we are going to do all of that. And yeah, आज जैसे बोला it's the last day. छुट्टियाँ बहुत जल्दी चली गई and this was one of the best Christmas I've had, best New Year. Oh yeah, Happy New Year to all of you guys. Yeah, I'm looking forward कि अभी literally 14 साल बाद ना आओ, at least every 2 years or anything. And I'm very happy. This trip was so much fun, and reuniting with the cousins after such a long time. Actually not long time, they also keep coming every year. I am gonna miss this place so much. We have made so many memories on this trip and it's gonna be so memorable. So yeah, actually हम लोग 20 मिनट लेट है आज because सब 11 बजे उठे and yeah, we have to go. So come for the last time.
All ready for the day and coincidentally आज सब लोग ने पिंक पहना था but only I was the one in grey, so it was a bit weird and we all set to go. हमारी van आ गई थी. The weather was really cloudy that day, but the good thing was we didn't get any traffic and we reached on time. हमारा slot था 3 बजे का. Then once we reached, as the weather was really nice and cool, we did some photography and everything. And here's Nimi, always getting into my videos. But the scenery was so beautiful. After verifying our tickets, we celebrated Dadi's birthday. Yes, her birthday is on 1st January. थोड़ा celebrate किया. Actually in the cabin we are not supposed to take any eatables या कुछ भी पीने को कुछ नहीं लेके जा सकते थे, तो हमने पहले ही केक काट लिया. We had a little snack and then we were allowed to go into our cabin.
My mission is to ruin all her videos with my face.
You know it's getting captured, right?
Yeah, I know.
You're a disaster.
Before entering, they also mentioned ki what type of materials were used while making this giant wheel, the rim, the spoke cables, how the cabins and what design they were made in. Also the materials, क्योंकि इतना giant ये wheel बना था, what type of rocks and sand they have used. And here are top 10 observation decks as you can see, and in Dubai stands at the first position.
चार बाल. थोड़े से बैकग्राउंड पिन कर दो.
At 2:45 हमारी boarding start हो गई थी. Most importantly, this wheel never stops. So very securely and safely, the guides assist you to enter your cabin.
Why is it so colorful?
Haha, we were so happy when we got into the cabin as if कोई mission accomplished कर लिया. The entire round is for 40 to 45 minutes max. Enter करते ही थोड़ा ऊपर पहुंचते ही the नज़ारा was looking so beautiful. सब लोग के phones निकल गए to capture amazing photos, videos. We made reels. जितना ऊपर जाते गए, the view was breathtaking. We also captured the Palm Jumeirah. Also captured the Aqua Fun water park. I wanted to do that, but surely next time.
At the moment we are on the top and look at the view. So she also wanted to come. Are you enjoying?
Yes, a lot. Me also. I'm also coming.
Hi vlog.
वाह क्या सीन है.
दान देख लो अपने.
Dentist.
देख लो दान. You also want to come?
At the top right now और नीचे देखते it was a little scary. नज़ारा भी it was really beautiful, but I wish कि weather थोड़ा अच्छा होता. It would have been much more beautiful. We also spotted Sheikh Mohammed as we were leading down. हमारे सामने पैरासेलिंग भी हो रही थी, but next we are going to do skydiving. छोटी मोटी चीज़ बिल्कुल नहीं करने का. ये 40 to 45 minutes कहाँ पे चले गए I don't know because we all were so engrossed in taking pics, videos, reels, but it was one of the best experiences. Then we had a quick snack at McDonald's. I may tell you कि दुबई का McDonald's is so much better than India का and they have such a wide variety. Then we were on our way to Dubai Mall. पहुंचते ही यू कैन नॉट इग्नोर द ब्यूटी ऑफ दुबई बुर्ज खलीफा फिर वी गॉट इनटू अ लाइन टू क्लिक पिक्स विद द विंग्स ऑफ मेक्सिको which is quite a popular spot for pics and making reels. The Burj Khalifa was lit up. We also enjoyed the water fountain show. It had become really cold and breezy in the evening. After enjoying the water fountain and the scenery, we were heading to Dubai Mall. और देखो it is so crowded over here. हम दुबई मॉल इतना एक्सप्लोर नहीं कर पाए. As you can see, it was so crowded. We just went into a cafe, enjoyed a little meal, and that was it for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.